Good morning, class. Today we are going to do mail merge. And for mail merge, you have to open Word, blank document. This is your document. You have to go on mailing tab. This is your mailing tab. You can go here, click on start mail merge, come to the bottom part, that is step by step mail merge wizard. In this, you can see on the right side this dialog box is there. You can choose any one of them. In our course we have letters, so this letter option you have to click, radio button on, then go on start documents, starting document. We are going to use the current document which we will be creating here only. Then go to select recipient. In this we don't have any existing list, or we have to type a new list. Click on this. When you click on this, create button is there, create option. You click on create option. In this create option we have this customize column. As few things like company name or address line 1 we don't want, so we will go on customize column. Click on this, and then you have to choose whatever field you want in your mail merge. So I need title. You may skip title also. Then first name, last name, company name I don't want, address line I want city. So you click on city and bring that city here after last name. Move up. You can see city is after your last name. Then I want to have zip code, so you can move this zip code up. Whatever field you want, you should take those field only here, and then you can click on OK. Add, you can click OK. So you can see title, first name, last name, city and zip are there. So start writing here first entry, like Miss. I'm writing few entries here, Miss, and you can use your tab key, and then you may write names of your friends or anyone to whom you want to send letters. I'm writing first name Sonam, last name Gupta, then come again, press on tab key, city you can write Delhi, then you can zip code, you can write 6 letters of zip code. So I don't know what is the zip code of Delhi. 1 2 3 4 5 6, I hope 6 numbers are there. Then for entering the second entry, you have to click on this new entry. So you can see this place is there. I'm filling all these right now. You can see I have filled all these entries here, and now click on OK. When you click on OK, it will ask you to save your file, whatever file you have created. I am saving this file with the name AA and save. You can see my data sheet is here, all these names. If you don't want to select all of them, you may unselect one or two of them if your list is too large. Then click on OK, and now we have to write your letter here. We have to write letter. I'm going to write a letter right now. This is the letter which I have typed. Now you can also do letter formatting like this. You can insert pictures, you can take anything here, whatever you want. So this is my whole main document which I want to send to my friends. Now you may insert here. Now once you have written your letter, you have to insert few things in it, like to whom you are sending your letter to, you will write to, and then you have to write address of that person. For that you may go on insert merge field here. You may take title, or if you don't want, you just skip this. So I'm taking this title here. Then you can use a space after this. I'm giving 2 spaces after that, and then I'm taking first name space, 2 spaces, then I'm giving last name. Then press enter key to come down, and you may take whatever next thing. I have taken city name and enter, and then I am taking zip code. So all these things which I have taken in my data sheet, I have taken here. Now my dear friend, then we used to write the name of that friend. So to whomever, to whosoever I'm sending this first name should here also, it should be here also. So I'm inserting a field. First you have to take your cursor on the place where you want to insert that key. This is known as merge field. These are merge fields. These are merge field with the greater than and smaller than symbols here inside this. So you take merge field. I'm taking first name here. Now you can also format all these things which you have merge field which you have taken. So I'm using this. You may go to home tab. You may use different colors here, so that your letter whatever you are sending is colorful. Okay, so I'm taking a color from here, and you may increase whatever is there inside your font uh, group. You may use all these things to make formatting inside. I'm using this. And then my dear friend, you may use this different color here also. So I'm taking red and make it bold it is already bold. I'm making slightly bigger. So this is all my letter. I may use a different color here, so that these you can see different things in different colors. I'm using this. Okay, okay. So these are few things which I have used in my merge field. Now once you have written your letter, next is preview your letter. When you click on this preview your letter, you will see all these things changes. So you click on preview your letter. Preview your letter. The first person here, you can see the first girl name is here, and my dear Sonam is here. Now if I want to see my next friend, Sona Singh is here, and then next Rinka Day, and next Meenu Khan. So all these letters I can take out or print out of this also. I can go on file and I can go on print, and you will see this letter here. You can use all those formatting feature which you want, which you already know in MS Word. So you can use page border also to make this letter more, to beautify this letter. So you can go on different features which you can use here, like borders. You can give border to your page. I'm going here, and you can see page border. You can give to page border, and background will not come in your printer. So this much is enough. I hope you all try to do this much in your practicals. That's all for today. Thank you, class.